Thanks for joining me on my ride today. We're heading out on a out and return from Yea to Cheviot Tunnel. It's a ride of just on 18 kilometres. Uphill one way and downhill coming back, with a climb of 150 metres and a descent of 150 metres. So it's much quicker coming back than going out. But I hope you enjoy the ride with me because we get to see Cheviot Tunnel at the end. Here I am at the Cheviot Tunnel on another of Mike on a Bike adventure. Today it's a short ride just from Yea up here to Cheviot Tunnel, which is just here in the background. Cheviot Tunnel is 200 metres long. It's brick lined. It's the only tunnel on the rail trail or old railway line through to Mansfield. So this is on day 3 of my little adventure up here on the Great Victorian Rail Trail.